Capcut. Tutorial. Open PixArt. Select your image to be used. Select Remove. Remove the name here. Save in PG. Again the same image. Now select Remove BG. Remove the extra part as shown. Here remove the board. In short, you have to use same image thrice. Create with Arsh. Import images on Capcut. Add PG of board.do as shown. Arrange accordingly. Now go to Mask. Select Rectangle. Select the parts, one by one. Duplicate the layer, bring it down. Again go to Mask, select the second part. Duplicate again, .to get the board part. Fix it properly. Now add keyframes, do as shown. Don't forget to use graphs. Overlay and bring board name. Go to Chroma key. Extract the yellow color to get only text. Here you can see it's removed. Fix it accordingly. Use position to get exact match. Now select Mask. Select Rectangle. Now select the part as per your need. I have just selected to show how to do. Add keyframes, do as shown. Duplicate again to select text part. Select Saudi Arabia. Add some dust effect and metal falling sound. To make it look real.